The Ukrainian Air Force has long been renowned for the impressive maneuverability of its Sukhoi Su-27 Flanker fighter aircraft. Designed during the Soviet era, the Su-27 is a highly maneuverable twin-engine fighter aircraft capable of competing with American fourth-generation fighters such as the F-14 Tomcat and F-15 Eagle. It first entered service in 1985 and has since become the backbone of Ukraine's air defense. One of the most prominent demonstrations of the Su-27's capabilities was its performance at the 2018 Royal International Air Tattoo, or RIAT. At the event, Ukrainian Air Force pilots wowed spectators with a series of gravity-defying maneuvers, showcasing the aircraft's agility and power. Videos of the performance have gone viral, showcasing sharp takeoffs and stunning aerial maneuvers. In addition, the Su-27 has been used in numerous combat operations. Ukrainian pilots have shared their experiences in dogfights against Russian aircraft, describing situations where they were often outnumbered but managed to defend their airspace. Despite the immense challenges, the skill and courage of Su-27 pilots have played a significant role in Ukraine's defense efforts. Overall, the Sukhoi-27 Flanker serves not only as a vital defense tool for Ukraine, but also as a symbol of resilience and excellence in military aviation. To see the impressive Su-27 in action firsthand, you can watch the following video. Here we go.
Not least, this came about because of the fact that it has been like controls for the first time in the future. Close to what we on deeply Orion maritime records. It wasn't there, too close, too close together. The damage propeller from the Orion, the landscape is still on display at their base as something. Very dramatic takeoff. Very impressive. Well, you remember the aircraft was designed to go forward, so it's straight with the lateral direction. Also, it's side pattern. In 1988, and still, we have never seen light from conventionally non-thrust vectoring Western aircraft. Really good forward gear on the part of the two Ukrainian sector and failed their life by engines. Yes, this is not just an aerodynamic feat. every inch heavy fighter that it is. Yeah, this is an absolutely enormous aircraft. It's got airborne now with a takeoff weight of 4. Yes, one of the new Soviet test pilots amazed audiences with first the MiG-29 and then the Su-27 at Western displays on the tail slide. We saw it in the West for the first time even 30 years ago with the MiG-28 race for you. Exactly the same position as the F-15. The aircraft rolls out, you see the skies air brake.
Very close to the aviation brigade, the Ukrainian Air Force, Sukhoi Su-27 Flanker.